got some LED lighting system in. Just open up the box here. Outdoor LED grow lights. I'm going to put them right in my greenhouse. Vivosun. Vivosun. Let's see some specs here. 6 lights, 22 feet, 100 watt. Yeah, I plugged them in and it took about 90, yeah, it was about 90 some watts for all their 6 of them, I believe. Yeah, 3 6. But that's going to be plenty to go across my greenhouse, you see. It's all starting to come together. Let's hook them up and see how it looks, especially when it gets dark here. But I'm just cooking up a burger, and then I'll hook them up, because you got to feed the machine. If you don't feed the machine doesn't work too well. Here's the technical diagram. See, they're actually designed for outside. I guess some people for the garden, you could have it strung across your garden, I guess. Never seen that before. But there's the specs again if you want to stop and read it over. And the do's and don'ts. Okie-dokie. Filled up. How do you like the wheel wells I put on? Flares. They look pretty good. Anyway, I don't want to distract myself too much. And I put another water tank here. Camouflaged it so no one can see it. What else did I do? Oh, I got the new window came in today. So now I got all good windows in there. Coming along. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so the plan I have, I'm going to stick them along here, closest to the cabin, because that's kind of where the panels end, the skylights. There's not as much light on this end. So I'm going to run them along here, and then we'll plug in right here. This is goes to my solar. So we'll try that. Just got to get some hooks. I think I'll just use some nails and bend them. Look at this, my grape plant is doing quite well too. It's a beautiful thing. Strawberries. And these are going to be my water storage. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. I'm waiting for the covers to come in, then I'm going to bury these about 3/4. Okay, gotta put the bulbs in. Got her up. Gotta put the bulbs in. Just show you the bulb up close here. Looks just like a standard bulb for in your house socket, but don't put it in your house socket. And it's actually got 3 little holes in it, because I believe this gets warm, which is actually good for me because it'll help heat the greenhouse. And it's only May 5th, so it still gets chilly at night here. We'll get these screwed in. Let's light her up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nice. That's pretty cool, eh? It's got the red, white. It's supposed to be good for increasing the growing. I got a switch right here on it. And when I'm in the cabin, I can just reach out the window, turn it off, turn it on. I actually, it came with these black ties, but I didn't really use them. I used one, but I use these for wiring electrical stapling wires. So I'm going to go with that. The tomato plants are going to appreciate that, I bet you. Yeah, and on the far side, it gets quite a bit of light from those windows. So I'll do one more clip when it's dark out. We'll see the contrast. Make sure you have your sunglasses ready. Okay, let's give it one more try here. The greenhouse lights that I just installed. It's not quite darker yet, but it's getting there. Woo! Let's go out and take a look inside. Oh yeah, that lights are up with the old grow lights. Yeah, I'll leave them on for a while, especially in the daytime because I have extra solar. I think they're going to work quite well. There will be a link in the description and more information, and we'll catch you on the next video.